back is 338, which I just filmed. And over here, we have a LULA. And this thing is slow as hell. And here it is. I think it's a symmetry. Here we go. 2. Please. The elevator is slow. That's an understatement. And we're off. Tiny little LULA. What's it gonna do it? What's it gonna change? Yo, it did the thing. There's the other elevator right there. I don't even know why they have this one. Down to 1. Let's go. The elevator's slow in every aspect. Nice rough start. There's the certificate, which is in a conspicuous location, as per the doctor's orders. That's 338 is pretty busy. There it goes. Watch it close. If it ever does. God damn, this thing is slow.